I am Jose. Welcome to the channel. Hello! I know. So, Big Dog Soccer, you're getting to the point that, like, nobody is interested in your, lame comments. I would give up if I was you. I'm about to block you for a little bit, you know? I don't mind the thumbs down. People have the right to, not like my channel. Yeah, I'm using a little, flashlight, man. So I can, so you guys can see my ugly face. But I did get my dog back from the vet earlier today. Heck yeah. She's a little out of it. She's still a little out of it. She's not really 100% right now, because poor dog went under for an hour or so. I don't know, but I got her back at 2. Heck yeah, I got a little shirt on her. Nice little shirt. What's up, Cypress Mypress? My beautiful girl. Yeah, I know. It's been a lot of vlogs about my dog. You know, a lot of vlogs. There's like 2 to 3 of them, and plus this one. Heck yeah. I'm currently uploading another vlog. So the shelter put us up again, so she can heal a little bit. It's raining like it does on the East Coast. Heck yeah. So I'm planning to probably get odd-end jobs or look for a little work here and here. I did get her microchipped, registered under my name. That's a plus. And then on top of that, I'm going to probably look into getting her insured, because that would help me out a bunch if something bad was to happen to her. Hopefully that won't ever happen. But I never knew you could actually insure a dog. Never knew. I didn't know that. Earlier today, I didn't know why I was watching Animal Planet, but I'm actually watching, Nat Geo Wild right now. Let me zoom it in. Yeah, they're trying to fix a goat, sheep, whatever they are. Whatever they are. Some weird creatures of God. God descendants. Well, good thing I have my dog back. I'm happy about it. Just don't like seeing her pooped out like that. It's kind of weird. She's a little bit, a little hyper than that right there. Heck yeah. But anyway, folks, I'll see you here in a jiffy jiff. I'm gonna rest up and watch some TV. I don't know. But I appreciate the good people that's on my channel. Golly, I just got done taking a bath. Hell yeah. I like to use a bath as a hot tub, but it wasn't staying hot enough for me, so I just got out of it. The dog's getting fed. That's awesome. I'm in my boxers. Heck yeah. Don't act like you never seen a YouTuber in their boxers. Hell yeah, man. So tomorrow, I got a ride lined out for me. So, supposedly this ride is going down towards the 20 in Mississippi, next to Philly, Mississippi, and other Mississippi parts. I may try to stay next to the 59 or somewhere close by. Oh, poor thing, you in pain? Good girl. Asshole girl. Alright, get up on there. Come on. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Yeah, whatever. So, I'm gonna go ahead, call the video off for today. Put some charge on my phone, edit some videos, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Alright, peace. So, yeah, let me clean you guys off a little bit, because you guys are a little bit dirty. So, I kind of do spoil my dough. Have it for a little bit over a month, a little under a month now, I guess. I'm bad at math here, but piece of crust, wet dog food, dry dog food, and water. So you can't say I'm treating my dog bad at all. I mean, you can't. Yeah. No licky dickies. I should be like, no licky vajayjays. No licky vajayjay. She got surgery on Monday, and yeah, I gotta make sure she doesn't lick her scarring down beyond her. Yeah, ouch. I think I did kind of ruin my wrist or something. It freaking hurts. That's alright. It's not like I'm gonna die anytime soon. Heck yeah. So, I took the time and deleted, not deleted, but blocked that guy. Because he was getting a little annoying. I don't care. I'm not going to allow somebody on my channel to go to the extreme to say that's his dog. Which is not. I actually, if I can recover the paper. That's not it. Damn it! Freaking damn it! I knew I should have put it in here. Ta-da! I did. I do have the contacts that that I've gotten her from. So, if anybody tries to say that I stolen this dog from somebody, which will be prosecuted for falsifying, because I will press charges, because that is gone way to the extreme for someone to say, oh, that's my dog, give it back, which is not their dog. So in this paperwork I got her vet. That's her information that I got from the original owner. I, Jose Sanders, is taking ownership of Cypress from 1/17/2019. Yes. Sorry for saying the guy's name. But more likely that name was blurred out. Now, on a certain date, I got, well, the shelter, should I say, gave her some shots, and the shelter and the veterinarian got her neutered, spayed, whatever, female terms. So, approximate age, don't know. So what I should do is keep this in record of, that's what I should do. So 2000, I believe it was, yeah, it was on the 8th. So I'll just fill out everything later on today. So like if I do take her to the next vet, they know what's going on. I do try to keep records of what I do to my dogs. Like my last dog that I had for 13 years, I had a little bit of record on her. And this helps out very, very well. Is if you're traveling like me and you have kind of no way of showing that it's your dog, have vet bills or have some type of pictures. Have anything to state that dog is yours, like microchipping. Yeah, microchipping will help you tremendously. I mean, helps you a lot. Look,